Hello everyone, I am Aditya Srivastava, a student of Lovely Professional University. Today I'll be presenting an important topic in artificial intelligence depth first search algorithm. We will explore the how DFS work, its advantage, disadvantage, and also heuristic search strategies. Let's talk about the DFS algorithm. DFS that stands for depth first search. Depth first search is a powerful technique for exploring graph and tree. This presentation will explain how DFX work, its pros and cons, and how to overcome its limitation. Understanding the DFS algorithm and how it's work. Point 1. Exploring deeply. DFS explore a graph by going as deep as possible down each branch before turning back. Think of a tree. DFS starts at the top and goes to the bottom before moving to the next branch. Point 2. Stake based method. The algorithm uses a stake to remember which node to visit. When a node is visited, it added to the stack. The node at the top of the stack is proceed next. Advantage of DFS. Point 1. Simple to use. Because of DFS is easy to implement for graph problem. Point 2. Low memory use. DFS uses very little memory because it only stores the current path. Now let's talk about the disadvantage of DFS. Infinite loops. DFS can loop endlessly in graph with cycle, revisiting nodes and repeatedly. Second point, sub-potential solution. DFS may not find the best solution, exploring less promising path. Overcoming disadvantage, depth first search. Depth limit. Set a maximum search depth to avoid endless loop. Iterative dating. Use depth limited search with increasing limit to find the best solution and avoid loops. Introduction to heuristic search. Heuristic search strategies. Informed search. Heuristic search uses extra information to find the better solution faster. Heuristic. Heuristic are estimate of how close you are to the answer, helping prioritize the best option. Now let's talk about the conclusion DFS advantage, disadvantage and heuristic. DFS is a great for exploring graph, but knowing its pros, cons is key. Using heuristic search makes DFS better, helping it find solution faster and avoid problem. In summary, DFS is a powerful yet sometimes insufficient algorithm. Understanding its strength, weaknesses allow us to optimize its using heuristic and modified strategies. By combining DFS with heuristic search, we can make it more efficient, problem specific. Now let's talk about the thank you for watching. I hope this session gave you a better understanding of DFS and heuristic search strategy. Keep exploring and happy learning. Thank you so much.